Hi friends, welcome to Cosplay Vicar. The time has come to release my Darth Vader chessbox Empire Strikes Back version. I've talked about this on the channel before. I've been working through many iterations of this over the years to make it as simple as possible. Now what we have got here is what I'm calling my Empire Strikes Back Darth Vader kit. It's a kit that I'm putting together for £75. That means you can build your own Darth Vader chess box, and this means you could either build it to wear for cosplay, or you could build it to put on the shelf kind of on display. And I've done this so that you could pivot in either direction. So the kit will essentially come with everything that you need, including a diagram for where everything needs to go. What I've also designed is a very simple stand, so that if you want to just have it on display on the side, then you can do that. It also comes with 3D printed bars. Now, I would always say, look, if you are building this for cosplay, you want to actually get Phoenix Props, do some fantastic versions of these. But I'm putting these in partly because it's very easy for me to print them with the kit. So you've got them. So if somebody does want to make this to go on the shelf, you've got everything that you need to do that. You can either display it or you could wear it. And the thing that makes it possible to wear is the back box. This goes on the back of the chess box. What I'm offering right now are these pins, and essentially what will happen is these pins go on the four corners of the back of the chess box. You could glue those on, and this is if you want to display it, and then this will just then go a pin onto the back of the chess box. They're perfectly placed, so they all just snap into place like that. So that could then just sit on the side. Now, you could wear it like that with those pins in, that they're a good snug fit. My suggestion is though that you are going to want to put some screws in there so you can take it on and off, on and off. It is entirely up to you. But what it means is the back, if you want to put your lights in here, a lighting kit, then you can turn it on. You can have your switch here, so it's very easy to access. And then your leather belts and bracers will all attach onto here as well. Now you can see these are really nice snug fit. So if you wanted to use these for trooping, you could very well do that. There we go. I've just dropped. The way this goes together, what I have got, I'm going to use these two for now. I've designed it so everything snaps into place, as I've talked about in other videos. So things like some of the simple parts. So these little parts would normally be brass. My suggestion is that it's very easy to use rub and buff on some of these items. So what you would do is you would definitely want to spray this down with the normal finishing for a 3D print, which would be just spray putty. Clean all the prints up. Now they come out pretty clean, but you would clean these up and then you would paint them and then put them in. But I'll show you how this goes together. So all these parts going to pop in. And the neat thing with this is it means you know that everything is exactly where it should be. So you're confident that everything is square. You're confident that everything is aligned where it should be in the key parts. The kit comes with these red acrylic pieces that I've 3D printed, and they just pop in to the coin slots like that. So it means you've got your red in the coin slot. So it comes with those as well. And then again, all of these will just simply pop into place. You will glue it eventually when you've painted them all up, but everything just pushes in like that. And then the buttons that go on the bottom, it comes with pins again, so you put your pins through the back. There's pinholes on the back of this, and that will all snap into place. It's really a simple kit, mega easy for those that are not great makers. Now what you end up with there, everything's square. Everything is where you need it to be. So you are confident then that everything is going to sit in line with where you need it to be. So then, take those to the side, those bits. what you've got then is the diagram. So then you would simply sit, and all these pieces then need to glue in place. But if you've got your metal bars, you would attach those first. I'm just going to attach, kind of sit these on for now, like that. What you would do is your parts then, these little pieces that go at the very top, you are going to glue those on. Now you would glue them on to match where, if you've got the metal piece, it might just be slightly different in length depending on who the maker is. So you're going to want to glue these on dependent on where your metal parts would fall. But if you were using my printed pieces that come with this to simply sit on the shelf, then it's, you just glue it on with a blob of super glue, like everything else. Then what we've got here, these 5 little greeblies, they're all very different. So you're going to want to look on the diagram to work out quite where all of those go. And then you would again just glue those on once you've painted them up. So everything then fits where it should on here. The neat thing is I'm putting it with the kit, the acrylic sheet, so you can cut out. The way that I would do these, like the blue acrylic, is I'd simply paint that up black. I'd put it on the back of the acrylic and then cut around the acrylic with an X-Acto knife, and you'll end up with just a nice, neat, tight cut. And then, now it will only fit properly the right way around, because it's not, the Vader chest box isn't as square as you think it is. Now when this is all done, the nice thing is it will then sit on display if you wanted to do that. Now my kit will not be coming with the stickers that go underneath the coin slots, because there are some manufacturers out there that make absolutely fantastic stickers, and I would just recommend, they're £6. You can get them direct from the seller. You'll find those on Etsy and eBay, and then it will display like this. So this is my Darth Vader chest box. It is now on eBay, £75. That shipping is free. It's all in that cost. It'll come as is, shipped to your door. If you're international, there's slightly more payment in the shipping. But basically £75, free shipping in the UK, plus if you're international, it's about another $12 or something like that. I'm going to do a print run. I've got about 10 to go, and then I'll do about 20, and we'll see how we're going after that, kind of if this is of interest. I am thinking about doing a 60% size, or like a miniature chest box that could go on the shelf as well. It's just a bit of a kit, a fun kit that you could give a child to make and put together as well. Again, it'll come with all the parts, the diagram, to show how it goes together. So if you're interested in buying one of these, the link is now in the show notes. You can order one straight away and we'll get it shipped to you within days. So if you want to put a Darth Vader chest box together from Empire Strikes Back, now is the time to get a kit that I think goes together really well. It's snap and play, and that's the great thing about this kit. I think it is, you can guarantee when it all goes together, it will look the way you want it to look. Everything will look square and look great. So there you go, Darth Vader chest box, Empire Strikes Back. If you want one, the link to the Etsy page, to the eBay page. So that's a good question. Why isn't it on Etsy, Chris? Etsy is extortionate. They take a cut of a cut of a cut of everything. So whatever you put on there, even your postage, they take a cut of it. And obviously that's just a bit ridiculous. The other thing is, if you don't want to go through eBay, message me direct. We can use PayPal or something like that, no problem at all. So no worries if you want to come direct to me to make a purchase. So friends, there you go. I'd love to see how many people are interested in buying the Darth Vader chest box. Until next time, enjoy cosplaying.